everyone, Samantha here. I pray all is well with you. In this video, I'm sharing a project that I made with this Butterflies paper crafting kit by the Paper Studio. This is actually the second project that I am sharing. I just did a video with the first project, and instead of showing everything that's in the kit again right now, I'm going to take the clip from the previous video and share it right here. Okay, so this is an insert because I realized I didn't say the name of the paper craft kit. It's called Butterflies Paper Crafting Kit by the Paper Studio. Okay, the cost of the kit is $2.98, although it says $5.99 here because Hobby Lobby usually gives a 50% sale with the Paper Studio items. And so I got it for like $2.98. So let me show you really quick. This is not going to take long. This project. I watched Scrapbooking with me, and she made like a pull-out envelope for her journal. And I extended it a bit. I'm gonna leave the link to her video. So this is, like you see, it's for my journal. It has a lot of journaling space. So in her video, she has it flap out. It's like this. She has it flap out. And then she has an extension like this. You see, an extension like this. But I took it a step further and I put an extension in the front and an extension in the middle. So what you see in the back here, which I'm going to decorate, I had added some extra paper to make it thick, but also so I can put it inside of my journal here. This is actually a essential planner, but I'm using it as a journal. It's still in development. There's nothing written in it yet. It's just all through the things that I'm making. So, but at some point I'll do a flip through when it's all done. It's gonna take me a minute to develop it the way that I want, because I even have some stuff in here that I need to take out because I was thinking something else and then I went another route. So, but I'm thinking I could just show the project, show it here. So it flips out like this, right? It opens up, I should say, it opens up like this. This comes out. So there's all this journaling space here, and there's even some journaling space here, right? And then that closes, then this opens up. There's some journaling space here, some journaling space here, some journaling space here. Then this opens up. There's some journaling space here and some journaling space here, and it closes back. And that's the quick project share. I also use some Happy Planner stickers to make like tags, pulleys. I use some washi tape. So this extends pretty wide. Yeah. So the washi tape is from the Happy Planner, as well as these little pullouts. This keep going, this flower, this, these. But then I use some of the stickers from the paper crafting kit. So this paper and this paper and this paper and the stickers are from the paper crafting kit. I also use white copy paper. So I just want to share that project. I have a couple of more projects that I'm going to be making with this kit. I did not use a lot of the paper. I used a lot of the embellishments on the tags that I've shown in a previous video, which I'll link that video in the description section. But yeah, so that's it. So I want to share that project. So that's it. So with that being said, I want to say thanks for watching. God bless you. And remember, Jesus loves you. Bye-bye.